PBG Kolhapur Tuskers and Forest Puneri Bappa. It will be the 6th match for both these teams in this Adani MPL, and this will be the 2nd match that the two teams will be playing against each other. The news from the centre is Forest Puneri Bappa. They have won the toss and elected to field first. Joining me in the commentary box is Sulakshana Naik. A warm welcome to you. But let us have a quick look at the playing 11 for both the teams. PBG Kolhapur Tuskers, they'll be batting first, so expect Ankit Bhavne and Rahul Tripathi, the captain, to start the proceedings for PBG Kolhapur Tuskers. Then there will be Siddharth Matre, Shrikant Munde, the experienced campaigner, and the hard hitter Dhanraj Shinde, and he'll grab all the attention. Also not to forget Anand Thenge, who's known more for his bowling skills, can pack a punch in the lower order. Sulakshana, what do you think about Forest Puneri Bappa?
Papa's team is very good. We've got Yash, Shirsagar, Suraj, Yash, and the bowling attack also looks very good. Ramakrishnan Ghosh, Sachin Bhosle, Nikit Dhumal, Advait Shidai, Rohan Kharat, and Soham Zamle.
Sachin Dhas opening the batting for PBG Kolhapur Tuskers. That is a surprise factor coming up for us. 3 matches, 50 runs so far in this tournament, best of 35. And alongside him will be another experienced campaigner, Ankit Bhavne. More than 800 runs in Maharashtra Premier League. But in this season so far, he has blown hot and cold. 4 matches, 73 runs. Best of 51 though, but still the best of Ankit Bhavne is yet to come.
On the screen, Ramakrishna Ghosh, who was there for CSK, 5 matches, 3 wickets. And the countdown begins.
Let's play, says the big screen. We are all ready for ball number 1. And Ramakrishna Ghosh starts off with an excellent delivery. A breather. Ankit Bhavne opens his account in style and will collect a boundary. Excellent start for this experienced Ankit Bhavne. Driven by Sachin Das, finds the gap, but will it find the fence? That will be the question. There's a teaser for the fielder and finally.
That is a very good innovative shot. The first one coming from Sachin Bhosle. Ankit knows that he's taken him out twice. He wants to capitalize on
Course against this opposition, but this time he's looking stylish, he's looking handsome, and he deposits it into the stands. Thus, we believe there is no joy greater than delivering customer happiness. But right now, happiness.
Pitching in line, impact is outside off, wickets missing. The original decision was out. We can go back to the on-field.
watch. Giving away quite a lot of room, and that was a misfield. Straight into the hands of the covers, but got a
Shot! What a shot! Look at that! What a pose! Beautiful! Sachin Das, you beauty! Excellent! Beautiful stroke! Fantastic from...
Das launches this up and over into the stands. He's absolutely smoked this one. Oh, nicely cut. Excellent power making there, except Ramakrishnan. But it was a half chance. But he will get a boundary. Survives on 37, and he comes out with a big shot. Does it go all the way? It does. A 4 followed by a 6.
Deliveries, but the opening pair of Sachin Das and Ankit Bhavne, they have made a light work of the bowling. Sachin Das, first half century in Adani Maharashtra Premier League for this young lad. What a batting, fabulous effort, and take a bow, Sachin Das. Joining me in the commentary box is Mr.
half century. And what a shot. That one is again very well connected. Superb shot. Over the mid-off for a 6. And this has...
Famous, क्योंकि नाम है इनका Sachin Das. Shot! What a shot that, but there's a fielder and he pounces on that catch. As we were talking about...
Nazar lag gayi Julie. And this one, he did the right thing by going for that stroke, but didn't connect well. And it was a very good catch. Even at the last over, one catch was missed by the fielder. But this one, right in the slot, doesn't make any mistake. And Advait takes a good catch. Sachin Das goes for 60, 97 for 1.
Skurs In walks the hard hitter, Siddharth Matre at number 3.
Of course, Sagar found out himself yesterday that he had been bowling well, and this one rightly treated by Siddharth Matre, who's everything has been so good. And this is a wild swish by Ankit Bhavne. We have been talking about him staying.
Rahul Tripathi, captain of PBG Kolhapur Tuskers, in walks at number 4.
Top class craftsmanship. And this time, Rahul sends it just over the fielder's head. He was a little far too inwards to have taken that. Siddharth launches this into the leg side. That's been absolutely hammered. Oh, he goes leg side once again. Fielder settling underneath it. Murtaza. The game. But just missed timing. This one, and the fielder doing no mistake in the deep. Taking an easy catch. Siddharth Matre, 26 of 18 balls. And the strike. And it's the call from the wicket keeper, because that was an end over. Shinde tongs it, but there is a fielder. Should be a regulation take. Raj, but couldn't get that elevation to cross the boundary, and just scooping it to the long off fielder. An easy catch taken by Roshan. Dhanraj departs for 5 in 3 deliveries, 144. South end. Can Munde inject some muscle in the closing? Tripathi gets enough on that edge to send it packing to the fine leg boundary. Disappointment. Short ball. Dispatch with disdain over the fence. This is turning out to be a boundary-hitting exhibition from Rahul Tripathi. Srikanth sends it skywards. The bowler says it's mine, and Sachin Bhosle has his first wicket of the day. He's jubilant.
Srikanth Munde gone for 2, 157 for 5.
Tuskers, because they've lost 3 wickets. Short ball. Tenge reaches for it and taken. A double wicket over for Sachin Bhosle. Anand Tenge departs for 1. Right now, Tripathi shuffles across, picks it up with absolute elegance. Not a lot of brute force there. Just a Ghosh with the ball in hand. Tripathi goes big. A glorious lofted cover drive. And shot. Tripathi's bat is doing all the talking, and it's speaking the language of winning in this over. No mercy, no breaks. A low diving catch and taken. That's a worldie of a take from the fielder at deep point.
He's gone for 45, 180 for 7.
Take about Rahul Tripathi, 45 of the 7 deliveries. But that's Nish Gurbani on strike. Full toss, misses out again, does Gurbani. Chance of a run out, but should be saved, doesn't matter. In this assault, Sachin thus stroking his first half century of this iteration. A staggering 60 of 36 deliveries.
4 overs, 62 for 2. That was the joint most expensive spell of the Adani Maharashtra Premier League. And 2 wickets to Sachin Bhosle. An excellent fight.
These teams, they are playing their second match against each other in this Adani MPL. And in the second innings, Forrest Punneripapa will be expected to chase 187 in 20 overs.
Maharashtra. And this is the first edition. They start at 187 to win this match. They have never chased. यहाँ बिल्कुल रजनीश कुर्बानी अच्छी गेंदबाजी करने पड़ेगी. 6 विकेट आए.
Wild swing by Yash Nahar. Lucky to get.
2 बार. ये उनके पाले में पॉइंट के ऊपर से चौका. बिल्कुल थोड़ा रूम दिया है. इन आगे डालिए. ये भी सही गेंद है. बिल्कुल ये बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश. मिस टाइम हुआ. चौका मिला है.
Wanted to cut that one, and Rajneesh Gurbani knows that. The fingers have struck early, And in walks Rishikesh Sonawne at number 3 for Puneri.
फॉलो किया था बल्लेबाज को. ये बड़ा शॉट हवा में गेंद है, यहाँ पर विकेट आ सकती है और आई है विकेट.
Early part of the over, then a deep square leg. And look at who he picks. There's only one fielder in that part of the ground. He only had to take a few steps to his left. And he pouches that. There you go. He is ecstatic. Big wicket. They're right on top of their game, the Tuskers. Trunkwala departs for 9. Puneri Bappa, 20.
Yashir Sagar, the captain of Forest Puneri Bappa, walks.
That's again bowled short outside the off stump, and that's picked up really well by Shirsagar. Takes a boundary of that one. So the first ball and single again, and now this one picked up really well by Yashir Sagar, the captain, for a huge 6 at Cows Corner. This
Lofted, glorious looking stroke, but it doesn't have the muscle. Easy catch there for the fielder. And
first ball went on for runs. Now this one cross-seamed, tried to connect that one. The bat spun in his hand, got miscued, and that was a very good catch taken. Very difficult to take those skies. Yashir Sagar goes out for 25. Bappas are 58 for 3.
And with that, it's time for Advai Shidai to showcase. Can he? In the air, but it's going to rush hurriedly into the fence. Glorious that from Advai. Sends this packing, does he? Here it does. Clears the fielder in the deep.
फादर को मिला, उनके फादर अभी क्रिकेटर थे. ये हवा में गेंद यहाँ पर विकेट आ सकती है और विकेट आई है. बड़ी विकेट.
Gone. Rishikesh gone for 23. It's 80.
Ramakrishna Ghosh, right-handed batter, walking in at number 6 for 4. Tonk that and take that, says Advai to Shreyas Chavan. That is deposited into the stands. That's a
Drilled down the ground. Fielder will not be able to cut it off.
Here. But a very good hit by the batter Advai.
Again, he goes aerial, and that's even bigger than the previous one.
This time it's the turn of Ramakrishna Ghosh. Takes 6, number 3. He's a strong lad. I don't think he's hit that well enough. In fact, it catches the upper half of the bat, but he's a strong boy. Yeah, he's got that. And just like the previous over, he's had enough. That is a 50 of the highest order.
Gets one, and he does. That's a big one. If Advai can do it, so can Ramakrishna. That one.
Sweet sound of the bat. 6, number 4 from the bat of Ramakrishna Ghosh. My God, he hit that hard. He's a strong boy. Oh, he's hit that well. How far? Far enough. His team. He's gotten that away. To the call immediately. They should get to comfortably. And a 50 for the ages. One of the best knocks we've seen. There you go. Acknowledgement from the dugout. He's hit that well. Oh, what a catch! My goodness! It's a game of inches, maybe even smaller.
Got it straight off the mate of the bat, and what a catch that one was. Superb catching by Siddharth Matre. Gets one right off a ripper for his team. Ramakrishna goes back for 50. The Bappas are one.
Suraj Shinde, if there's one person you would love to have with 6 needed of 3, he's hit that into oblivion. First ball, a match-winning 6, and Puneri Bappa have snatched victory from the jaws of defeat. It didn't look like they were in this game. 15 overs into this run chase. And courtesy Adway, Shide and Ramakrishna goes. They brought life back into this game. And then Suraj Sinde comes in and he tells everyone, what in the world is the fuss all about? One ball, a 6 into deep mid-wicket. And Puneri Bappa have registered one of the great wins here in the Adani Maharashtra Premier League.
2 for 22. In return, Puneri Bappa, they make 187 for off 5. Adwai gets 58 and Ramakrishna 50 of 23. What a game has it been. And